Okay. So my hair looks like a mess. What the fuck? Woo! Okay. I'm at the moment in my Airbnb in Frankfurt, and I was here for the weekend. It was really, really nice together with my friends. It was a city trip because I live in Leipzig, which is 4 hours away from here, and my friend lives in Belgium, which is also 4 hours away from here. So we kind of met in the middle, and we were able to try a lot of glühweins and to have a lot of fun here. So I hope you enjoy this little video. We are today in Frankfurt, and this is the first glühwein which we are drinking for the day. Yesterday we tried something already.
Yeah.
What was it again?
I tried the hot apple wine.
Yeah.
And I think you tried the hot cherry wine.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah. Oh my god, it was very nice. It was from the Schweiz, which is Switzerland.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, because we also asked what the brand was, because we wanted to buy it for our own, but they said it was not available here.
Yeah, we
so
wanted to buy a bottle, but the bottle doesn't exist. So today we're trying something new. It's called Feuerzangenbowle, and the guy where we bought it just explained us how he made it.
Yeah, kind of.
Very briefly.
Hot red wine, orange, lemon, sugar and rum, all in one.
Ah, okay, and where do you make it? Is it this one or is it this one?
It's the same.
Okay, the same. So, thank you.
Too bad.
All right, thank you so much. Yeah, so basically there's a big place where they put a glühwein in, and then on top of it there's a stick with sugar on the stick, and then they put rum on the sugar, and then they burn the sugar. And then the sugar melts, and then falls into the glühwein, and then you have something like this. Voila. So,
Gonna try it, eh?
I think it's yummy.
Yeah.
It's a bit more sugary than the other one. Which
It's
is
not too hot?
Oh, you have to een beetje blazen. Yeah. Yeah?
Yeah, I like it as well.
You like it more than the
Apple wine?
apple wine?
No, I like them both.
Okay. I want to order Dornthaler Glühwein, but I don't know what it is. But
Normal red wine,
yeah,
but less sweet.
less sweet.
Yeah, less sweet.
Okay.
Yeah.
And the difference is just that there's less sugar in it than in
Less
the
sugar.
Glühwein? Okay.
You can try it first.
Yeah, can I try the Dornthaler?
Yeah.
Oh, thank you.
And
Dat is, welke is dat?
This is a Dornfelder. I like this one a lot.
Yeah, me too. It's with less sugar, eh?
Yes, with less sugar. Should you take one of this and one of the normal glühwein to then have the difference?
Okay.
Yeah?
Yeah.
14 and
50 cents.
50 cents. Which one is which one?
That's Dornfelder, that's normal.
That's normal one.
Okay.
And did I give you the chips? 2 chips?
No.
Yeah.
Okay, perfect.
okay, sorry.
So when you bring the max pack, you get €3 each pack.
Okay, thank you.
Prost. Prost. I'm a bit afraid to burn my tongue, because I always do this. Oh, wow, it's hot.
And the price is the same everywhere, right?
Yeah, I thought
Everywhere
so.
it's 4 euros. This one was 4. Was it 4.5?
I think so.
Okay. But still, it's not 5 euros.
Yeah, it's not
The
so
5
expensive.
Euro, it was 5 euros for the...
The Kirchwein?
Ah, no. The Kirchwein was 4.5 as well,
Yeah.
which we drank yesterday.
Ah,
and,
it's
and today we drank also... The
This one was
Feuerzangenbowle
5.
was 5 euros, probably because of the rum
Yeah.
and the sugar
Yeah.
and stuff. They put extra in it.
But it was really delicious.
Yeah. Okay. So we also realized yesterday she bought a lot of nuts, almond nuts. And we wanted to make a little review, tasting them. There was written there's not a lot of sugar in it. It's like low in sugar. I don't know if I can believe it. Okay, so let's try.
For me, it tastes like popcorn.
It's not popcorn, but it does taste like it.
It tastes similar.
It tastes like caramelized popcorn. Like popcorn with, yeah. It is yummy, but the thing is that it's very sugary. It really sticks to your teeth.
Yeah, it's true.
Yeah. And also, another thing I wanted to try. And so we have these two different kind of wines. And so I wanted to do a test, if I can. Can you close your eyes and then try both wines and guess which one is which, and then I will do the same.
Okay.
So I will mix them up, right? So just to show you for you, this one is I forgot the name of it, a special Glühwein, and this one is a normal Glühwein, okay? Okay, you can try this one. Keep your eyes closed. Okay, don't say it yet. What do you think? Now you can try this one.
I think the first one was the special one, and the second one is the original red
Ding, ding, ding,
wine.
ding, 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 ding.
Jackpot!
Yeah.
Okay, close your eyes.
Okay. Oh, I think this one is a normal one, the normal blue one, and then the other one is a special one. Okay.
It was the other way around. This is the normal one.
I don't know why this.
I think this one
This tastes
for
more
me.
sour.
No, this one for me tastes more sour. That one more dry, like you said.
Okay. One more.
It's almost empty.
Almost empty.
We have to empty it before we go to eat.
Yeah. Before we go to eat, but it's too much. Too much
Okay.
sugar. Too
I'm
much
gonna
sugar.
finish.
We will eat it tomorrow.
Okay. Ciao.
Yeah. All right. So we will continue drinking.
Yes. Prost.
Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any questions to me or travel-related questions about sustainable traveling, traveling by train, or languages, or Germany, living in Germany, because I'm an expat here as well, then you can tell them in the comments below. And if you like this kind of content, you can always give it a thumbs up and follow my channel to give me support. All right, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.